Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. Today topic is Sakshi Malik. Born 3 September 1992, is a former Indian freestyle wrestler. At the 2016 Summer Olympic, she won the bronze medal in 58 kg category, become the first Indian female wrestler to win the medal at the Olympics. She is a part of JSW Sports Excellence Program along with fellow female wrestler Vinesh Bhogat, Papita Kumari and Geeta Bhogat. Personal information bar 3 September 1992, age 31, Mokra, Haryana, India, height 162 cm, 5 feet 4 in 2016, weight 58 kg, 128 IB, 2016, spouse, Katewar Canadian, sports, country India, even 58 kg freestyle, coached by Mandeep Singh 2010 to till now. Degaya 2004 to 2009, medal record women freestyle wrestling representing India, Olympic Games 2016, Rio de Janeiro 58 kg Commonwealth Game 2022, Birmingham 62 kg 2014, Glasgow 58 kg 2018, Gold Coast 62 kg Asian Championship 2015, Doha 60 kg 2017, New Delhi 60 kg 2018, Bishkek 62 kg 2019, Xi'an 62 kg Commonwealth Game Championship 2013, Johannesburg 63 kg 2017, Johannesburg 60 kg World Junior Championship 2010, Budapest 59 kg Asian Junior Championship 2009, Manila 59 kg 2012, Almaty 63 kg. Malik had previously won silver medal at 2014 Commonwealth Game in Glasgow and the bronze medal 2015 Asian Wrestling Championship in Doha. She is one of the leader ongoing 2023 Indian wrestler protest against BJP MP Brij Bhushan Saran Singh. She announced her retirement from wrestling after the election of closed-eyed Brij Bhushan Saran Singh, WA chief. Earlier, Malik was born 3 September 1992 in Mokra village, Haryana, Rohtak district to be bus conductor with the Transport Corporation and Sudesh Malik, supervisor at a local health clinic. According to her father, she was motivated to take up wrestling from seeing her grandfather Ram, who was along the wrestler. She began training in wrestling at the age of 12 under the coach of Ishwar Dagia at an Akkarayan Chotu Ram Stadium, Rohtak. There were 4 people out of there, namely Kuldeep Malik, Ishwar Dagaya, Mandeep Singh and Rajveer Singh, who claimed themselves and coach Sakshi Malik. Later on, Sakshi herself submitted an affidavit with the sports department informing Ishwar Dagaya and Mandeep Singh are her coaches. Career. Malik's first success as professional wrestling in international arena came in 2010 at the Junior World Championship, where she won the bronze medal in 58 kg freestyle event. At the 2014 Dave Sells International Tournament, she won gold in 60 kg category, and after that she never stopped and maintained her passion and dedication to the game. 2014, Malik began her championship up to the 2014 Commonwealth Game, winning her quarter-final bout against Edwidge Ingona of Cameroon by 4-0 margin. Its semi-final she faced Braxton Stone, Canada, who she defeated 3-1 to assure herself a medal. Her opponent final was Aminat Adani Tashkent. She faced Anta Champu of Senegal, round 16, and she won the bout 4-1. She crossed out the tournament after 1-3 loss to Petra Oli of Finland. 2015, at the 2015 Asian Championship, Doha, Qatar, total 5 rounds with the 60 kg category. Malik battled through the 2 world rounds and finished the 3rd position, claiming bronze medal. First round she faced Zuawan of China but was beaten 4-5 by the fall verdict. She came back strongly in the 2nd round to beat Ankuya Tanglak of Mongolia 30-0 before losing 3rd round to Yoshimi Kayama, Japan. She was able to clinch bronze medal in the 4th round, beating ALM Kashimov of Kazakhstan. 2016, Malik qualified for the 2016 Rio Olympic by defeating China Zhang Lian semi-final 58 kg category at the Olympic World Qualifying Tournament in May 2016. At the Olympic, she won her round 32 bout against Sweden Jogena Madsen, round of 16 bout against Moldova's Mariana. After losing eventual finalist Valeria Kaplova, Russia quarter-final, she qualified for the repechage round where she defeated Dojin Orakan Mangalia. Her first bout. She won bronze medal after the 8-5 victory over the Asian champion Ayshulu Teenabakova Kyrgyzstan despite trailing 0-5 to one stage in the repechage medal playoff and become India's first female wrestler to win the Olympic medal. 2017 Sakshi Malik represented Color Delhi Sultan in the second edition Pro Wrestling League held in January 2017. She has also been featured Women's Day Championship called #EveryWomanStrong for her sponsor JSW Group. 2022, she competed the Rashar Dogu tournament held in Istanbul, Turkey. She won the bronze medal in her event at the 2022 Tunis ranking series event held in Tunisia. Went on to win gold medal at 2022 Birmingham Commonwealth Games. She announced her voluntary retirement with grief after putting shoes on table. Press conference she said, I will never participate wrestling because they close aid Brijbhushan Singh, MP and former WFI chief is polluting federation. Personal life. Malik is currently employed with the Indian Railway Commercial Department of Delhi Division, Northern Railway Zone, and she is part of JSW Sports Excellence Program. Following her bronze medal win into Rio, she was promoted from senior clerk gazetted officer rank. Maharshi Dayanand University Rohtak, September 2016, she was appointed University Wrestling Director. Interviews shortly after Rio Olympic, Malik said she was engaged to married fellow wrestler and Satyawar Gadian at 2016. They later got married in 2 April 2017. Satyawar Gadian also international level wrestler and he's won medal Asian Game and Commonwealth Game. 2023, she and other people were arrested by Delhi police for taking part in protests, accusation for sexual misconduct. Malik, along with Vinesh Phogat and other wrestlers, accused Brijbhushan Singh, member of Lok Sabha and President, Wrestling Federation of India, sexual and mental harassment. Award and recognition. Padma Shri 2017, fourth highest Indian nation honor. Major Dhyanchand Khel Ratna 2016, highest sporting honor in India. Multiple cash prize totaling over rupees 5.7 crore $7,10,000 from Indian Railway, Indian Olympic Association Ministry, Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of Delhi, various state and government including Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, from private bodies such as JSW Group and from political group including Indian National Lok Dal. Promotion gazetted officer rank by her employer Indian Railway. Class 2 job was offered from Government Haryana. 500 YD2 land grant from Government of Haryana. Popular culture. 2022 Malik appeared short documentary German broadcaster about women in wrestling future young and wrestler Payal Sharma. Documentary future Malik training Sharma on her way to professional wrestler as well as traditional gender role in India and particular